Lesson 36. Level B1. B1 plus. It's high time. It's high time. Story 1.
Brandon, 32 years old, USA. It's high time for my friend Jack to get his life together and become more independent. He is almost 35 years old, and he still lives at home with his parents. It's high time he moved out and rented an apartment. He earns enough to afford it, but he is just too lazy. It's high time his mom stopped cooking all his meals, baking cakes for him, and ironing his shirts every day. It's high time he grew up. I know that his last girlfriend broke up with him because he called his mom 10 times a day and asked her for advice all the time. It's high time he stopped being such a mama's boy. Every time I try to talk to him about it, he says that he is living happily with his parents. I don't think that's true though. He might be too scared to start living on his own. But it's high time he did.
Story 2.
Joanna, 51 years old, Poland. It's high time to make a change in my professional life. I've been working as a bookkeeper for over 20 years, and I no longer enjoy it as much as I used to. To be honest, I am quite burnt out. I've been spending at least 8 hours at the office every weekday and doing the same things over and over again. It's high time I finally started doing what I've always wanted to do, teach English. I grew up in Liverpool because my parents worked there for many years, so English is almost like my mother tongue. It's high time to quit that boring office job and focus on educating others and positively impacting their lives. I believe that this is my true mission, and I don't want to waste any more time. I am more than ready for a new adventure. It's high time to make it happen.
Story 3.
Natalie, 17 years old, Belgium. It's high time my younger brother Victor learned how to say no. He is the least assertive person I know, and other people take advantage of it. It's high time he stopped letting them do it. If he doesn't, they will never respect him. I have noticed that he often does his classmates' homework and allows them to copy his answers during tests. Don't get me wrong, helping others is great, but there is a difference between helping and being used. Besides, these kids shouldn't cheat. I think it's high time my parents talk to my brother and his teachers about it. It might be late to react, but better late than never. It's high time to help Victor build his confidence and teach him to stand up for himself. I'm sure that he will benefit from it in the future.
The end of Lesson 36.